The most common replacement parts for the Powermatic 15-inch planer are the carbide blade, the roller bracket, and the worm gearbox. Start by disconnecting your planer from the power source. To replace the carbide insert, begin by removing the top 3 screws on the dust cover. Then remove the 4 screws on the cutter head cover. Lift off the cutter head cover to access the blade. Use 2 Powermatic T25 hex drivers, one to hold the helical head in place and one to loosen the screw that holds the blade in place. Loosen the screw completely and remove it. Clean any debris out of the area using compressed air. Rotate the blade 90 degrees and reinstall it, then replace the screw. Put the cutter head cover back on and replace and tighten the 4 screws. Tighten the 3 screws on the dust cover. To replace the roller bracket, remove the 3 hex cap screws that attach it to the top of the planer. Support the roller bar and remove the roller bar bracket. Replace it with a new roller bracket. Reinstall the 3 hex cap screws. Repeat these steps for any broken brackets that may need replacement. To replace the worm gearbox, begin by removing the hand wheel. Be careful not to drop the key. Now, remove the 3 bolts that secure the worm gearbox. Support the roller bar and gently remove the worm gearbox. Using retaining ring pliers, remove the retaining ring holding the worm drive and pull the worm drive from the old gearbox. Install the new worm drive and the new gearbox. Press the bearing into the new gearbox. Use a large, deep socket to gently tap the bearing back into place until it's seated properly below the retaining ring groove. Reinstall the retaining ring and then reinstall the roller bar. Fit the worm gearbox back into place and reinstall the 3 hex cap screws and securely tighten. Reinstall the key into the key slot and slide the hand wheel into place and tighten the nut to secure the handle. Powermatic offers a simple way to order all of the replacement parts you might need for your 15-inch planer. You can find replacement parts on our website at powermatic.com. Any additional servicing to your Powermatic 15-inch planer should be performed by an authorized service technician at a designated Powermatic service center. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.